So I only want to share with you problems that I have in my car. This is a yarky wireless camera for reverse at the car, and it stopped working. Now I want to show you how I am debugging it real quickly. Few words. Okay, so I did disassemble very easy. You have 4 screws. It goes out. This is the LCD module connected to this connector, and here you have the digital tuner and a microchip. This is probably the flash memory. You have here 2 DC to DC power. This is the input of the 12 volt, and another connector to 3 buttons that usually changing the command by changing probably resistance. Yeah, this is how it works because 2 wires, so no other way to do it. Anyway, it stopped working. So very hard to debug. I thought maybe something very simple. So I check, of course, the 12 volt coming in, and then I found 3.3 volt, and then I checked the oscillator of the controller. It is working 24 megahertz. Last thing that I can check is just to check that I have signals of the LCD pins. So I found that I have signals using the scope. So the last thing that I can think of is that the LCD is defective. So I did order 40 pins LCD 5-inch that should be compatible to this, hopefully. And maybe this is the only problem. Of course, I cannot be 100% sure about it, but the good chances that just the LCD, something is wrong with it. Maybe I will disassemble it to check. Maybe the LED inside backlight is not working. I don't know. But anyway, I ordered another module, and this is how to do a quick debug. It took me some time to understand how things works here. I don't have Smartmatic, but you can do some basic check and then conclude if it can be LCD and if it is worth fixing it. By the way, this is not a cheap module. It costs somewhere about close to $200, the transmitter and the receiver. So it is worth trying to fix it. If not, I will replace the camera. And you have antenna, of course, on each side, the receiver and the transmitter. So that's all for now. Very quick. Thank you and bye.